hanggat may panahon pa, huwag nating sayangin ang ating mga talents, okay?
Para each time na makikita mo yung mga outside positive day believers, this is Dr. shall be added unto you. Ang ibig mo yung mga faith na. So second is to be wise para maging righteous. Start your journey on how to become rich. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go.
Alright, so positive day, G-Livers. This is Dr. GGD Sunga from Making Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga G-Livers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc GG Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-coach sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise your business or you want to start or improve your business, message ka lang 0939-5254311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. GGD Sunga. Alright, so ganito yung schedule natin this week. Ngayon ay January 8, 9 bukas. So nasa SM North Towers tayo and Makati. So, meron pa tayo available slots para siguro dalawa pang personal coaching. Message lang kayo. And Friday, nasa Bulacan tayo. Contract signing tayo as a consultant. Yan. And after that, tuloy tayo ng Olongapo for personal coaching. So, baka pwede pang isa sa mga taga-Olongapo, Bulacan. So, chance nyo na makita si Doc ng for personal coaching. Message lang kayo, okay? And Saturday, Robinsons, Pampanga tayo. Okay, alright, so stop wasting your talents, gift, and potentials. Ang dami nating sinayang na mga talents natin. Alam niyo, sabi nga ni Pastor Miles, the richest place on earth is not America, is not China, and of course, it's not Philippines. Alam niyo kung ano yung pinaka mayamang lugar sa buong mundo is the cemetery. As according to him, ang daming potentials na nailibing na lang. Sana ang daming books na nasulat, ang daming business concept na nagawa, ang daming talents, ang daming skills, ang daming potentials na hindi na-develop, na hindi na-realize. So, hanggang sa namatay na lang tayo, dun na lang napunta, dun sa cemetery. So, sabi niya, that's the richest place on earth. Kasi ang dami doong dapat thousands of dollars na na-earn, new concept na dapat nabuo. Kaya lang, we wasted our talents. So, para hindi dumating sa punto ng buhay natin na pag matanda na tayo, sabi nga ni Gary Vaynerchuk, I was watching him ngayon, sabi niya, you just regret. Wala ka nang sasabihin ko ni sayang sana. Wala ka nang ibang sasabihin sana na sayang sana nagawa ko. So, hanggat may panahon pa, wag nating sayangin ang ating mga talents, okay? Because we can do 4 things. 4 amazing things na kaya mong gawin sa iyong mga talents. Alright? So, this is your talent, or your gifts, or your potentials. So, I don't know kung ano yan, pero you need to discover. Actually, that's the first thing that you need to do. You need to discover ano ba yung talents meron tayo, ano ba yung skills, potentials na binigay ng Panginoon. Alam niyo po, ako, very late. Muntik na ako dun sa regret ng reaching like 60, 50 na hindi ko nasilayan man lang, hindi ko man lang nalaman ano yung kaya ko palang gawin. So I discovered them 3 years ago lang. That I can become a speaker, that I can become a coach, that I can become a vlogger, that I can, help people to build their business, that I can help people to help them realize, help them realize that life is good and to have no mindset. So, yun yung skill na binigay sa akin ng Panginoon. Yun yung talent na binigay sa akin ng Panginoon na I almost regret na dumaan ako sa buhay, natapos yung isang lifetime. Remember, 1 lifetime lang, tas hindi mo pa na-discover yan, di ba nakakalungkot? Okay? So, paano ba na-discover yan, Doc? Hindi natin, ganito ang talent, hindi natin ma-discover yan sa ordinary situation. Let me just share once more. Alam ko, na-share ko na sa iba to. Paano ako naging speaker. That time na meron kami speaker, so meron kaming 2 batches ng college students. Yung first batch, nandun yung speaker namin, natapos niya. Nung second batch, wala na siya kasi may emergency sa bahay, he has to go home. So, nandun na may estudyante, walang magdi-discuss study habits ang topic. So, nobody will do that. So, the president called me, sabi niya, Doc, ikaw na mag-speak. So, because I have this, meron kasi akong prinsipyo sa buhay ko, sabi ko, I will never say no to my boss. Sabi ko, sige, mamakit ako. So, I did the talk. So, nag-discuss ako, nag-seminar ako for 40 minutes. And nag-enjoy ang audience ko. At ako, sobrang nag-enjoy. So, that's the start. Sabi nga, then the rest is history. Doon ko na-discover na kaya ko pala maging speaker. Then, when I wrote my first book, ganun din, wala din yung speaker namin. May seminar kami sa Baguio, may estudyante namin, may sakit, di siya makapunta. Ang topic is how to embrace transformation. So I went, nagpunta kami, sabi ng president sa akin the day before, ikaw mag-discuss. So the night before that, so me and my assistant prepared for everything, the presentation. Hanggang sa, natapos siya for more than 1 hour. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng topic, how to embrace transformation. Sulat ko kaya siya. For 5 weeks, nasulat ko yung book, and I launched it 2 years ago, How to Embrace Transformation. So, ibig sabihin, to discover your talents is, kailangan, meron kang, choose the hard task. Sabi nga ni Jack Ma, always choose the hard task, the hard assignment. Kasi dyan ka makaka-discover. Pag plain lang, yung ordinary assignment, you cannot discover it. Pag nasa ordinary situation ka lang, you cannot discover your talents. Okay? So, start doing today sa company mo o sa negosyo mo, start doing the hardest one. Start choosing the hardest part of the event. Okay? Alright, so para ma-discover mo yung talent mo. Okay, so ano ba yung pwedeng gawin sa atin ng ating talents? Okay? So, I wrote here 4. Okay? So, number 1, because of your talent, you can build yourself. Pag nalaman mo kasing meron kang talent, pag nalaman mo meron kang kayang gawin, meron kang skills na potential, you can be an event organizer, you can be a speaker, you can be an MC, you can be a writer, you can be a coach, you can be a painter, so you can be a singer, you can be an actor. So pag na-discover mo lahat ng pwede mong gawin, you can build yourself. Doon nalalabas yung magkakaroon ka na ng confidence. So magiging confident ka na. So, yun na malalaman mo na eto pala yung worth ko. You will know your worth. And when you know your worth, lalakas ang loob mo. Ay, kaya kong gawin yan. Di ba? I can do that. You can now visualize ano yung kaya mong gawin. Na kaya mong marap sa crowd. Kaya mong mag-solve ng problem. Kaya mong marap kahit kanino. You have this skill of communicating. You have soft skills. You have essential skills. So, it will help you build yourself. Kaya minsan nawawalan tayo ng confidence kasi nga, hindi natin alam ano yung worth mo eh. Diba? Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung kaya mong gawin eh. But when you know it, lalakas ang loob mo. Kaya ko pala itong gawin. So, kaya kong marap sa inyo. Okay? Second na pwede mong gawin when, you have your talents, you identify your talents is, it's a way to help people. This one is, ito, hindi natin siya lagi nakikita na magbibigay sa atin ng, it's an avenue, it's an opportunity na makakatulong ka sa ibang tao. Kasi nga, meron kang isang skill, meron kang isang talent na pwedeng gawin. Ito yung marirealize mo na dahil ginamit mo yung talent mo, na-discover mo, natulungan mo yung ibang tao na mabuo ang pangarap niya. Natulungan mo yung ibang tao na siya din ma-develop ang skill niya. Natulungan mo yung tao na nagkaroon siya ng means, to have his or her business or investment. When I do different coaching, pag nagko-coach ako, tapos babalik sila sa akin, magme-message, Doc, salamat kasi na-start ko na yung business. Doc, salamat, I'm earning this one. Like, meron isang lagi nagte-testimony sa atin, taga-Capiz. Hi, sir. Siyang teacher. Lagi niya tayong pinapanood. So, ngayon, nagkaroon na siya ng, meron na siya malaking store. Meron na rin siya mga reseller. So, ang dami niya nang natulungan sa lugar na yon. Because hindi ko pinagkait yung talent ko. Discover ko yung skill ko to vlog, to educate people, to mentor people. So, meron ako na mentor at siya din naman nakatulong siya sa ibang tao. Imagine the chain, 'di ba? Yung kayang abutin ng talent, skill mo, 'di ba? Ang dami niyang kaya. May natulungan kang isa, yung isa may nakatulungan din siyang 5, yung 5 may natulungan yung family niya, friends niya. Hindi mo alam saan naabot, 'di ba? And that's nice and that's so beautiful. That's one thing you have to realize. Sa 151,000 na subscribers ko, sabi mo ng 100 na lang Jay nanonood everyday. 100 na lang. Pero hindi ang dami. Sabi mo na 1,000 na lang. 1,000 everyday, they go to work, they go to their business being inspired. And pag nandun sila sa office, pag nandun sila sa business nila, masaya sila, they are touching the lives of other people. And that's beautiful. Diba? So you are helping other people. Pag na-discover mo yung talent mo, ano yung talent mo? Baka yung makatulong sa mga nalulungkot na tao, sa mga taong nababankrupt, di ba? Sa mga taong di alam kung anong gagawin, di ba? Okay? So, third is, yan. So, it can also help you to build your wealth. Okay? So, it's, of course, you will be paid when you are using your talent. So, anong masama doon? Ngayon, minsan nga sabihin nila, Dok, nagpapabayad ka. Eh, syempre po, kasi, syempre, nag-invest tayo ng time, nag-invest tayo ng everything, you know, and imagine, ngayon nga, I did meron tayong pinagpalit na malaking bagay just to have full time on my talents. Coaching and being a speaker and a vlogger. So, give up na natin yung isang malaking bagay sa atin. That is, sa aming school as a principal dean of academic affairs, just to have time for, as a coach and as a speaker and as a consultant. Okay? So, kaya ganun po ang ating, kaya, I think it's just fair enough to pay someone na tinutulungan ka using his talent. Diba? So, it can help you to build your wealth. Okay? So, sabi ko, alam nyo, for how many years na hindi ko na-discover ang talents ko, ang dami ko pa na, I wasted hundreds of thousands a month. Itinapon ko yung 100,000 na kaya, dapat pala, when I was 30, nag-start na ako maging speaker, nag-start na tayo maging coach, nag-start na tayo mag-vlog. For imagine that, kung nagsisimula ako ng 13 years, tagal nun, di ba? Let's say, kumikita na tayo ng 10,000. Magkano yan? A month. 13, madami. Kaya compute nito. Di ba? So, sabihin mo na kumikita ka ng extra 100,000 using your talents. Di ba? So, nag-agree ang aso eh. Di ba? Kasi an estimate ko po ngayon, with being a speaker, being a coach, being a vlogger, a consultant, I'm earning more than 100,000 as an additional source of income. So, ilan po yung sinayang ko kasi hindi ko pa na-discover before. Ngayon ko lang na-discover. Well, siguro timing lang naman talaga. At 43 doon ko ma-discover. Pero what I'm trying to say, kung hindi ko pa siya na-discover, sayang yan, di ba? Sayang yung dapat kinikita mo. Sayang dapat you are earning money from your talents. Natutulog lang yung talents mo eh. Natutulog lang yung skills mo. Yung potentials mo nandyan lang. Intact na intact. Walang gumagalaw. Di ba sayang? You're supposed to earn, let's say, 10,000 a month, 20,000 a month. Sayang. Right? And last is, ano magagawa ng talents mo is, this is important to me. Be happy. Iyan na kasi sabi ko ang advocacy natin sa buhay. Be rich and be happy. Diba? Be successful and at the same time, be happy. Sabi nga ni Gary Vaynerchuk, nobody's talking about happiness. Don't you want to be happy? Diba? Yung ba maging masaya? When you're doing your talents and skills, may happiness eh. Kasi meron kumakawala sa'yo na something, and at the same time, pag may recipient, parang may happiness. Iba yung, let's call it fulfillment. And the equivalent term for that, for me, is happiness. Pag na-fulfill merong fulfillment sa'yo sa ginagawa mo, and that makes you happy. Diba? So, when you are helping people, when you are earning money, and that's happiness. Diba? That's inspire you. And that's inspire me more. To be a consultant, to be a coach, that makes me happy. Kaya sabi ko, minsan sa mga choices natin, sabihin ng ibang tao, ba't yan ang pinili mo, diba? Sayang naman. You choose between this and this, dapat ito. Pero sa akin kasi may criteria tayo. May sarili na akong set of criteria and choosing things on deciding on matters. Lagi nang kasama yung happiness and serving more people. So, yun na yung ating qualifications. Okay? So, Delivers ngayon, kung di mo pa na-discover ang talent mo, discover mo na yan. Kung na-discover mo naman talent mo, make sure nakikita mo tong apat na to. Make sure It can help you to build yourself, to help people, build your wealth, and be happy. It can be one of the sources of your sources of happiness. So, kung gusto mong magpatulong, Doc, hindi ko alam kung paano, tulungan mo ako. I can be your coach, I can be your mentor. Message ka lang, okay? Alright, so please share this video. By the way, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na kanina, sa mga bumili ng e-course, maraming salamat. Sa mga hindi pa po bumibili ng e-course ko, Biblical Principles on How to Become Rich, please, okay, mag-message na po kayo and buy my e-course, okay? Alright, so 700 lang po siya. 700, because part of it, mapupunta po sa ating advocacy, yung ating ministry na ginagawa that is helping adults 60 years old pataas. So, hindi po natin sila doon sa isang lugar para matulungan natin mapasaya at mabigyan man lang ng konting support. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng maibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umulad nating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much. By the way, isa pa, last na lang. Ma'am Lenny, maraming salamat sa ibang ba sa Europe yan. Nurse yan, maraming nurses nanonood sa atin, nakikinig sa atin. Thank you. Kanina nag-message si ma'am. Lagi siya nag-message sa atin. Thank you, mama. Okay, please share this video sa lahat, maibigan natin. Nasabi ko na ba yan? Okay, let's go, let's go!